Y'all, it's your girl Sasha E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a fishbone braids protective style on my baby sister. So I love seeing this style when I was a kid and I just had to try it on her. So I did wash and condition her hair last night and I used some new products that I want to tell you guys about. So I tried the Design Essentials Wash Day Moisture Mask and also their leave-in, and y'all, her hair responded so well to these products. So if you guys have hair like hers, definitely give this line a try. So I'm going in with my Shine and Jam. This is what I use to perfect her part. So I'm parting her hair in two sections and then I'm going to split those two sections in two again. So you should have 4 sections in all. Alright guys, so we moved on to the other side. We are now connecting the two sides to make it into that fishbone effect. And the key to this style, y'all, is making sure that your parts are connected. So the neatness of this style definitely depends on how your parts are. So make sure that the parts on one side are equivalent to the parts on the next. So two parts should be touching.
What I'm feeling, you think we're okay, baby, you're dreaming. You brought this on us and you don't know how deep it cuts. No, you don't know how much it hurts. You can't hold on. It's slipping through your hands and I won't try to understand. It's all gone under your command, under your command. You want me right there and then you don't. You want me to back off, well then I won't. No, I won't keep you around anymore. No, you're no longer the light I used to know. I can't help what I'm feeling. You think we're okay, baby, you're dreaming. You brought this on us and you don't know how deep it cuts. No, you.
So as you guys can see, the parts are equivalent. The braids are the same on each side. I had 19 parts or 19 braids on one side and 19 braids on the other.
Don't know how much it hurts. You can't.
Alright guys, so we are on to the next side and the same method applies for the parts on this side. Make sure that the parts are touching, you guys. Make sure that the parts on the other side is touching the parts on the side that you're currently working on. It doesn't necessarily have to be going in a straight line, but the parts do have to touch.
It's slipping through your hands and I won't try to understand. It's all gone under your command, under your command. You can't hold on. It's slipping through your hands and I won't try to understand. It's all gone under your command, under your say that you will change the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you wear your hair. Change the way you dress, the way you kiss, everything, 'cause you are scared that I might leave you. Well, why should I leave you? Baby, please don't talk to me that way. Don't talk to me that way, 'cause I think you're perfect for.
Alright guys, so now it is time to do her two braids going to the back. I am using Epic pre-stretched hair in 26 inches. I only use one pack of hair to do this style and I split the hair in two, one for each braid. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to feed in this hair. So I am going to take a really small section at first and then I am going to split the remainder in bigger sections, and I had 9 bigger sections to feed in. So for the style, you don't necessarily have to feed in the hair if you don't want to. You can just braid your hair as is without any weave, or you can braid it down, and when it gets to a point where you can no longer braid it to the scalp, you can then add the hair, or you can do it my way and just do it the feed-in method. I decided to do the feed-in method because it was just easier for me at the moment, and that's what I wanted to do.
Just the way you are, and I don't ever want to leave you. Baby, don't you talk to me that way. Yeah, but I don't know how to get through to you, because you don't seem to know that you are everything a girl could dream of. Baby, won't you hear me? Don't talk to me that way, 'cause I think you're perfect for me, just the way you are, and I don't ever want to leave you. Baby, won't you hear me when I say, don't talk to me that way, 'cause I think you're perfect for me, just the way you are, and I don't ever want to leave you. Baby, don't you talk to me that way. I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer.
So I did use the Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray, y'all, because I thought I saw some flyaways, but I felt like it made her hair a little bit on the frizzy side, which I did not like. So what I had to do after I was done with her hair was I went in with some mousse de foam, which we will show you later on in the video, and that actually helped to make her hair look so nice, so pretty, so seamless.
Yeah, yeah, come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly, bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish, you get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you, I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah. I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah. I can finally start over, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye.
So as I told you guys earlier, I did use the Got To Be freeze spray in her hair, and I felt like that gave her a lot of flyaways, and I'm not sure why. But you guys, I went in with the Do Mousse Def Foam, and look at my baby sister's hair, y'all. It looks so, so good. I love the style on her. It is so neat, and you don't see any flyaways. The mousse fixed the problem. I love it.
I'm too fly. Oh, bye-bye.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave that in the comments. I try to respond to every comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. I do post every Sundays, Thursdays, and Fridays, noon Eastern Standard Time. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!